Hey fellas, we have the common guest in our workshop, the Dewalt battery, and the problem is that we have no light here. Looking at this contact, now this one is good, so really strange. Okay, we need to take our multimeter and try to take some measurements here. And what we have, okay, 10, 3.7, 3.7, and we have 0 here, so basically we can suspect that we have the problem in these cells. And these cells looks really bad. So this cells and this cells looks a bit suspicious. Okay, now we can make sure that everything is connected here. It's starting to show 2 lights, and of course will be needed to balancing it because the cells will have different voltages. Let's make it on the DC mode, and you can see that we have the 3.71, 3.7, and 3.64, so maybe it will balance itself, but still we need to get them to the pretty close voltage here. So I will put it to the charger to charge it to the maximum, and then I will check the cells again. For you, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask them, and for now, just bye.